How you do today we're going to be doing the slime challenge. The blindfolded slime challenge. So we got all our ingredients. Let's go. Coloring, baking soda, and hot delicious. Baking soda, baking soda, baking soda, baking soda, baking soda. Hey. Okay. So we're gonna get somebody to mix it around for us. So I'm gonna put my blindfold on. Okay. What did my thingy? Put my blindfold on. Put the thing on you. No, what happened to my cup thingy? What cup thingy? What cup thingy? Okay guys, we'll be back. Okay guys, she took my teeth. But we got our bowls and something to mix with. So we're just gonna put our blindfold on. Just make sure you close your eyes so you're not cheating. So ready, set, go. Where is it? I got mine already. I can feel it. Okay, this is the bowl, right? Yes, it is. I'm gonna try not to use all mine. You said use all of it. I said mine. I just said I might, but I don't think I am. So guys, I'm just pulling it. It's not hard. No. Just pulling it in. And I'm not going to make this a really big batch because I'm lazy. Okay, now I gotta find the color. Where is it? This is my bowl. This is good. Oh, I found it. I have no idea what color this is. Come on. Come out. They should have some in the top. Never mind. See. I gotta mix this really good. And it's just gonna come out. Okay, this is the top of the color. Okay. Okay. Guys, I hope I put the right amount of baking soda because the baking soda is gonna be hard to put in. Did you put a lot? I didn't either. I only put a little bit. I still have. Why does I still have a lot? I think I should add some more. Just gonna add a little bit more. What's the food coloring? Oh, here it is. I just add a little bit more because I didn't think it was enough. So put some more. What the heck? Okay, wait. I'm just gonna mix it. It feels like a lot. I don't know if it is a lot or not. That's fun. Okay, noodles. What do you want? I'm just mixing my bowl with my food coloring. I gotta find a baking soda now. Where's the baking soda? The baking soda should be on the side. Somewhere. Is this a baking soda? Oh my god. Yeah, I think this is the baking soda. I think this is going to be a sky blue. It's supposed to be the baking soda, but it doesn't feel like it's coming out. Is this my bowl? I don't know. Okay, I'm not sure how much I put in. Okay, give me the baking soda. I think I just put it on to your side. Okay, go. So I'm just gonna mix it up. And we're supposed to put 2 spoons of contact solution. So I have to put in my contact solution. I don't know if it's going on my spoon or not. Just put 1 teaspoon. Where's the contact solution? Oh, I found it. There we go. And it says only 2 tablespoons. So I think I just need 1 really. Just gonna mix it with 1 tablespoon. And I feel like it's already together. Guys, I think mine is together. Whoa, guys, I don't think this actually worked. This did not work. I think I need some more baking soda. So I'm just gonna. It feels like mine's coming together. I know, right? But I don't think I put enough glue or something because this one is like a bunch of watery. Like it's not slime. So let me see. Guys, that is not slime. You ready to take your blindfold off?
Yeah.
I don't think I did mine.
I'm not finished yet.
I'm gonna take mine off.
Okay.
What the? Guys, this is not fun. What the?
How my hands looking? How this look?
Ew. What the? Mama, you just. Okay, yeah, guys, this is not slime. So we'll be back. I'm sure gonna get slime, girl. Let me see. I'm gonna play with it. Ew, we both messed up. We didn't put enough glue.
Not me.
Here, take your blindfold off. I'm taking it off for you. That sucks, right? It's not slime. That is not slime. That is not slime. Okay, guys, I'll be back. We're gonna do another try. First try was a fail. Okay, guys, I'm great for the next one, but that was a complete fail the first try. So I'm just gonna do another try.
Oh my god!
Okay,
Look,
guys,
it's
we
right
barely
there.
use any glue. Like mine is right there.
Mine's is red.
So we're gonna put our blindfolds back on, and we're gonna start. So ready,
Set, go.
set, go. Where is the glue? Oh, I found my glue. I'm just gonna open the top all the way this time because last
You
time.
gonna feel your whole thing is up?
Oh.
And it don't sound like it's gonna drop.
Should I put in my whole glue?
I think so, because it's gonna feel. It's going.
So guys, I put it in all my glue.
I
And
could
I'm
hear
actually
it,
gonna
but
add
I don't know
some
if it's a
water.
lot. I'll put my whole thing too.
Try to get all the glue out. Okay guys, I think all the glue is out. I'm not sure. My body feels so hot. It feels like my skin is burning. It feels like my stomach is burning. My shirt is burning me. This time I'm gonna give it a little stir and stuff. So yeah. Okay, I'm pretty sure I got all of it out. Do you think all of yours is out? I don't think all of mine is out.
I think
So
mine's
I'm
all the
just
way out.
gonna try to get all of it out. Okay, I'm pretty sure all of it out. But I can like hear stuff still coming out. You hear it?
Yeah.
It's still coming out. Okay guys. Oh,
I'm just baking it until it come out.
okay, Lotus, that's enough. I think this is the water. I'm gonna add some water.
No.
It's a little stuff. Why not? I'm adding water.
I don't know where my water at.
I found mine, but I hope I don't put a lot. Is this my bowl? Yeah, this is my bowl.
Okay, that's
I'm
enough.
adding a little water to my whole because it just gives it a little texture. This is my top. Oh, it's my one.
You putting your water in it first.
I put a little bit water. I didn't really put a lot, and I hope it does not
Let me
mess it
do.
up because I just
Where
put
is it? Oh, here it
all
is.
in my glue.
How much you put it in there?
I don't know.
1 spoon or something?
Where's the color? How long does it take me? Oh, I found it.
I'm just putting a tablespoon of water.
That's what I did, but I don't think I put a tablespoon. I think I put less than a tablespoon. Really, because like, I just put, oh, it sounds like you put a lot in there.
I did a tablespoon.
But it sounds like you put a bunch. I hope it doesn't mess it up. You hear that? That's so silly.
And some contact solution.
Where's the baking soda?
Baking soda.
That's not contact solution. I feel the contact solution is right here. I'm looking for the baking soda. Oh, I found it.
I'm doing the sky blue.
I think I did a sky blue. I'm not sure.
I think
Just
you
add
did.
a tablespoon of baking soda. I just did that.
Baking soda.
I'm not sure if I used the pink or blue because I think I put the pink in it too. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Okay, so
Yeah, I can feel the water.
I need some contact solution.
Right there, you just put it in your hand.
I didn't know. Wait, did you cheat? How do you know? I think you cheated.
Because
Guys,
it sounded like you put it back in your hand, then you put it back down.
okay guys, I think I still did it wrong because my contact was slime.
I think it came together. Because I could hear it like...
I'm gonna keep mine a little sticky, guys.
Now trying to put some baking soda in it.
I already put my baking soda. I'll put some contact solution. Okay, guys.
Look at my pretty
Yeah, guys, I don't remember. I put that on Snapchat. And it just said, look at my baby grape.
In the background, it's saying.
Okay, guys, I think my slime came together.
What's the baking soda? Like this contact solution.
Okay, I'm getting dirty, guys. And I'm keeping my slime.
Even though it's messed up.
Sticky. I don't think it's messed up. I can feel it. It's sticky, like. It's really sticky.
I put a whole bunch.
Wait, this is way too sticky. This is way sticky. Oh my god. I never thought it was going to be actually this sticky, so I'm just going to let it be more. And I add a little bit more. It's still a little sticky, and that's a good thing because when I add too much contact solution, I'm like, oh, this is very sticky and it doesn't work. So, you ready to take your blindfold off?
No, I'm not done.
Mine's is really stretchy. So, mine's just kind of like a little sticky. I'm going to see this cook. Yeah, I can hear it. Whoa. This is like really ugly. Wait, I think mine just stuck to the napkin.
I think so, because I heard the sound.
I heard it stick to something. And I'm not sure if I should add my contact.
But I'm going to wash my hands. I'm ready to take my balance food at all.
I'm taking mine off. Let me see. Does yours come together? Yeah.
I'm going to take mine off.
But it's like really sticky. Yours is not together yet. You need to have one contact solution. It's not even together.
Come on, I'm finna take my balance.
No, you can't. You have to add more contact solution. Okay, now mix it. Let me see. I'm gonna mix it for you.
It's hard to mix now.
I'm gonna mix it for you.
And look at my blindfold off.
Yeah, but don't tell me what mine look like or yours. No, because you're gonna see yours. Yours, let me see yours. I don't think yours is together. But let me see. Well, yours is really sticky. I gotta find the contact solution. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, found it. So it's so sticky. Okay. So I'm gonna get this stuff off my hand. Okay, I think yours is done. What are you laughing at? I'm taking my blindfold off. What happened?
Me too.
Whoa, look at it.
You made a big mess.
We really didn't. Guys, I really like my slime.
I have to go wash my hands.
It's really
wash my arm.
And I like it. It's pokey. And look at this,
Come on,
guys.
get her.
Whoa.
It's hard.
Why are you still mixing it? It's done.
So I want all of it.
I don't think we added all of our glue.
You added water, so I added water.
I added water. I added water, and it makes it like stretchy, but it doesn't make it like.
You make it sticky.
It doesn't make it sticky.
Yes, it does.
Mine is good, I think. Yeah, mine is good. So comment down below who you think won. Mine is.
Look at mine. Mine's sky blue.
Mine is squishy.
We made it sky blue.
And it's like, look at the crunchy noise. You hear it? I love that. I love that sound. Look, it's so satisfying. Look, wait, shh, wait. You hear that? Yeah. I love that. And it's really pokey.
Why is it on my hands? It's all on my hands.
They do this, and they do big bubble comes. That's what I see people doing. Yeah,
look.
I really like mine.
Look.
Let's see.
Whoa. Mine's broke.
Mine's on the carpet. Oh my god. Okay,
stickers for everything.
Wait, let me see yours. Okay, hers is good, guys. I don't know what she's talking about. Hers feel like it's about to turn into putty. Let me see. Hers is like stretchy, but it feels like it's about to turn into putty. It really does.
Let me feel yours.
It and like this. So yeah, guys, comment down below who do you think won. I think I won because yours feel like it's turning into putty. And
mine
so guys, just comment down below who you think you won. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Comment down below who you think you won. So, peace.